ka sureok shalong dauki kala syakta ha ka jing bomjur uslap bat bun na ki benta jong katai ka sureok kila syabam ha ka jahalor katai ka jing jah tua sureok ki benta ki bala syakta kidai hapo siat bakon kabahap hapo tan pen ursla ha ka bala I ha ki video baki kali trok bat barit kila syatap ha ka marshiteng syusyu katai ka sureok shalong dauki kadai ka sureok national highway ka jingjur uslap kalong naduk menmit kapor kumba khatar baje ia jong ka sngi nengkong yathu kinong shong habayo ban yakren lengba kapun kila yathu ka jingjur slap kalakta shisha yaki kena batho exam matrik habayo ban yakren bat menteri katanat PWD root uba prestun tensong ulayathu ba ulo peta yaki officer katanat PWD bat ka NHIDCL banweng bat ban penkut ya ka jing sakut kimau ki kendo uba prestun tensong ula pentip bakatenat PWD kala jing tip sya umar senja bat kibor PWD kilale ya ka kam ban lait na ka jing jenjar kalet kawan jong ki paidbah bat ulayathu baka sureok shalong dauki kabadang ya syakmat ka jing trei ya ka bala shimti daka company JICA
Ajan hak negeri sekarang lah pom.
After that, then the weather is improving, it's okay. Then they start working again. It depends. That will depend. I can't say anything that. But of course, from the NHIDCL, they are also making efforts to make sure that the road project is completed as early as possible. Well, the condition of the Shillong Dauki road, where without blasting you can't do anything. You cannot remove the stone. So therefore, blasting has to be there. Of course, I think out of the blasting, maybe the soil became looser, and ultimately the moment rain starts, the soil goes down towards the roadside, or it goes down towards the slope side. Looking is so difficult to identify, so difficult to say anything. But what we did was, we already instructed NHIDCL, make sure that you should be aside. Any landslide happens in any place, in any portion, in any stretch, kindly remove it as early as possible. Okay? I think you must have seen it. Few places, the road construction started. Then naturally, the landslide will happen. Once the rain starts, that landslide will happen, because the landslide is right now happening in those portions where the road construction started. So it is not because of the stone quarry, but this is natural during construction of road. That also not only during this time. It happened way back in the year 1999, 20, 21, when widening has taken place right from Laivenkot up to namar. Naturally it will affect, but we have already instructed NHIDCL to again station, make sure they are available anytime when the stone fall down or when the landslide takes place anywhere, to make sure that the machinery is in place where they can remove immediately the landslide, whatever happens. Does not arise. As I said to you, you know well the formation of soil in our state. In any hilly stations, I think you understand. And you know the formation of the soil here in Nepal, which is not at all possible for any construction company to be able to reduce the landslide which is happening right now. It's not at all the recklessness of the company, but I'm telling you, the nature itself has created a lot of problem as far as landslide is concerned.
So we have seen
Now, order has been issued to all the concerned executive engineers.